We're here at RHS Bridgewater, my second time around at this beautiful garden, and today is all about using food and flavours to bring communities together. So come along, join us and learn some things about growing your own fruit and vegetable and how you can take some tips away to use in your own kitchen.
Hi, my name is Jason Williams, also known as the Cloud Gardener. There are lots of food demonstrations going on today and I'm super excited to see how we can use our seasonal veg.
Hi, I'm Sunita. I am from Bollington. I've got my lovely friend John with me. We started cooking together in the UK when I arrived in 2016.
I'm Lorata Umashayla. I'm a cookery writer and presenter, and today I'm at RHS Bridgewater cooking, doing a lovely demo and talking about amazing food from Africa.
I'm here at RHS Bridgewater today and I will be cooking stovetop apple crumble with the first of the apple harvest.
My name's Nisha Katona. I'm really excited to be here for the first ever RHS Festival of Flavours, and today I'm going to be showing you how to cook ingredients that come straight from the kitchen garden.